Greetings everyone, welcome back to my YouTube video and my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a lemon, turmeric and ginger shot, and also you can bottle it up. Here I have a lemon. Take this off. So I'll probably use about half a lemon. Take the skin off like this. Put it in. And I'm gonna use a piece of this ginger. The reason why I chop it up as small as possible, because also it helps the blender. You'll be surprised how much vitamin in this. Look at this. This is fresh turmeric. Don't want to take too much of the skin off. But this one is very expensive. Look at that. As small as you've seen this is the same thing that you find in that make help make curry powder. This is one of the ingredients in the curry powder. In here, I have 500 ml of water. Put this on. Make sure it's tight. So should be all right. Set this aside. I'm going to use my chinois. This is what most chefs use to strain off the side, their sauces and soup to get fine-tuned. This is a chinois. So if you don't have any of this, you can get a very fine strainer. So I'm going to put this here. Pour it in. Because I don't want any bits in it. Because I don't like bits. But it's personal preference anyway. This here is good for cold, fever, you know, it's really excellent home remedy. Next step, I have some bottles, so you can bottle it and put them in the refrigerator. I'll show you how I do it. You can get these on Amazon. They're like for drippings, like if you're pouring it, because if you use the normal one, it's a bit too big for the hole, but this one is perfect. So you just take your time and pour it in. Just put the lid on this as soon as you finish the rest. Set that aside, dry the mess up, then put the lid on. This one, I think it can take a little bit more. There you have it, guys. That's what it looked like. I'll put a white cutting board underneath it so that you can see it properly. Now you'll see the difference. That's what it looked like. So this is the finished product. If this video is of any help to you, please subscribe, like, share, and leave positive comment. Thanks for watching. Just give it a shake before. Then glass of ice and just pour it in. Just add a bit of mint on it. There you go, guys. Enjoy it.